Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mrs. Sidra and this is our lecture for chemistry class 8th. This week the assignment is about the exercise questions and the think tank. Now you have to revise all the chapter completely. You should have full command on all the topics. You know that the topics included in these chapters are really very important. First, the Bohr's model is there, then Rutherford's atomic model is there. You have to revise them. In fact, you have to learn these two topics completely. Okay, then there are the topics that are related to the conceptual studies. These are the isotopes and the electronic configuration. The presence of isotopes is very important and you have to get full knowledge about them. Then the concept of electronic configuration, you must have complete command on solving the electronic configurations of almost all the elements. Okay, when you will understand or you will learn to do the electronic configuration easily, then you will be able to find out the position of the elements in the periodic table. Like if only the valence shell electronic configuration of any element is given to you, you can be able to find out the position, the number of groups, the number of pairs of all of these elements only by knowing only one digit electronic configuration, that is the valence shell electronic configuration. Okay, so first of all, revise all the topics, and if you have not prepared them fully, prepare them. Okay, give full time to this chapter, learn the topics, get concept of these topics, and then solve these exercise questions. First question is about the MCQs. These are given in from all the topics of this chapters, and you have to select the correct answer. Okay, and these are very easy. Then question number 2 is about the short answers. These short answers are you should write the answer of in about 2 to 3 lines. That would be enough. Okay, and there is no need to write the answers of half page or 1 page. You just have to give the short answers. Then the next three questions are about the electronic configuration. Okay, you have to find out the incorrect electronic configuration in question number 3, and in question number 4 you have to find out the electronic configuration in which the orbital is having the lower energy. Okay, the orbital which has lower energy fills first in the electronic configuration. Then the next questions are about the Bohr's atomic model. You, on the basis of Bohr's model, you have to draw the structure of the element, like how many electrons, protons, and neutrons are present. So you have to first you will draw the nucleus. You will write the number of protons and neutrons, and then you will draw the orbitals around the nucleus, and you will draw the number of electrons. Okay, number of protons is always equal to number of electrons, so it is very easy. Then next question is, again the next questions are about the Rutherford's atomic model. You have already read about them, and then you have to write about the contributions. Now last two questions are about the society, technology, and science concepts. They are given on the corner of the pages, and sometimes we ignore them, but actually they are very important. Like there are pink boxes in the isotopes topic also, they are also very important. Similarly, there are society, technology, and science corners given in almost all the chapters, and they contain the whole answers that are given in the exercise review questions. Okay, so last two questions answers will be found in the society, technology, and science corners of this chapter. Okay, then next comes the think tank. Now in think tank, the first questions are about the isotopes, concept of isotopes. M24 is a radioactive isotope used to diagnose restricted blood circulation. For example, in legs, how many electrons, protons, and neutrons are there in the isotopes? Valence shell electronic configuration of M is 3s1. This is the first question of the think tank, that is question number 5. Now here the isotope is given, the mass number is given, and the valence shell electronic configuration is given. Now valence shell electronic configuration, that is 3s1. It means the electronic configuration is done to 3s1. all the orbitals are filled with that comes in the arrangement of the electronic configuration before 3s1, and 3s has only one electron. So you will add up all the electrons that have already been filled in the orbitals before this 3s1, and one electron will be in this. So you will add up all the electrons. In this way you will find out the atomic number of the element, and by knowing the atomic number you will be able to find out the number, the name of that element. Okay, and the name of that element, by knowing the name of that element you will be able to find out the number of electrons, protons and neutrons. Mass number is given, atomic number will be found out by you, and then you will find out the name of the element, and then you will tell about the isotope, that this isotope is of which element. Clear? Then again, the next question is also about the isotopes of chlorine. The next question is about how many electrons can be placed in all the subshells in n is equal to 2. Now n is equal to 2, this question is related about the KLM shells. Okay, n is equal to 2 means it is L shell, so you will solve this question. It's again very easy. Then next comes the mass number of an atom indicates total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Can you identify an atom without any neutron? Like, which element is there which does not have any neutron in it? Means its mass number is equal to its atomic number. Okay, atomic number, mass number is actually the sum of atomic number and the number of neutron, that is the sum of protons and neutrons. So there are 0 neutrons, it means the atomic number and the mass number will be same. You have to find out the name of that element. Okay, then next comes the table is given and few short questions are being asked here. You have to write the answers. You will simply calculate and find the number. The last question is naturally occurring nitrogen has two isotopes, N14 and N15. Select isotope that has greater number of electrons. Again, the number of mass numbers are given and you have to find out which one of them is having the more number of electrons. By knowing the atomic number you can find out the number of electrons. So this way you have to complete this exercise, solve the questions and do them on loose sheets, and please submit your assignments in time. This is the and this is the second round and it is very important, and you have to, the most important thing is that you have to prepare all the chapters. These chapters are very important and you have to complete them in this class, and you know that this syllabus will be included in your board exams in class 9th. Okay, so it is very important. Now you have the time to complete them, to revise them, to get full command on them. So please don't waste your time and complete all the chapters, prepare all the chapters completely. Okay, and revise them, keep on revising the last chapter also, and then from next week inshallah we'll start the next chapter. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.